Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for heat transfer? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printer for heat transfer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. Our second top pick, with refillable ink tanks, multiple connectivity options, and ultrafine print quality, this wide format printer for heat transfer offers accurate colors and also supports borderless printing. Although Epson has used plastic material for manufacturing, but overall, the body felt well built and sturdy. The removable power cord, along with extendable hinges, allows the scanning of thick items. The display was the first impressive feature that got my attention. The touchscreen has a tilting function for perfect adjustment whether you are sitting or standing. Viewing angles are great, and above all, the screen is responsive with user-friendly settings. Scanning features are ordinary, with no auto double-sided scanning. However, the scanning results were impressive, with improved contrast and saturated colors. The bright side is its fantastic free cartridge system featuring 6 tanks, which I tested with L and AMP. See sublimation ink without ICC profiles, and it produced deeply saturated colors. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800. A supertank printer to yield an incredible number of pages, the Epson EcoTank ET2800 provides a great solution to keep running costs outstandingly low, thanks to the inexpensive buying and running costs. The simplified with no special features printer was built with plastic and the quality wasn't durable like other listed sublimation printers, but I didn't assume it was so cheap. You can check the cheap sublimation printers. I would rather rate it mediocre as the input connections were sturdy. Paper jam access is a bit difficult as the sheet rollers are hard to access. The display isn't touchscreen, and you have to use directional keys. Viewing angles are poor, but you can tilt the entire panel according to your convenience. An excellent cartridge-free system of EcoTank ET2800 yields 1,000 pages of color and black prints. There is only a flatbed scanner with fixed hinges, which means you can't scan thicker items, but cannot be a problem. If you are looking for multi-document scanning, this printer isn't your friend. I didn't like the printing speed as there is only 10 ppm for black and 5 ppm for color documents. On the bright side, the printer offers a great low cost per print. Number 3. SG1000 Sawgrass. A premium sublimation printer for heat transfer. Weighing 37 pounds, the printer has a relatively compact design than other desktop printers and doesn't take up maximum space on your table. Manufacturing quality is superb, with mostly plastic material used. The printer has a 4.3 inches display with convenient navigation. You can use a physical button located around the screen for print management. When it comes to printing, the Sawgrass Sublimation UHD ink cartridges provide stupendous results for both color and monochrome documents. Photo printing and color accuracy are remarkable, with vibrant results. For me, the cost per print is great as the ink system yields thousands of pages before replacing needs, but you might feel they are expensive. On the downside, you can't scan anything because Sawgrass SG1000 doesn't have a scanner. The printing speed of 20 ppm for black and 15 ppm for color documents takes printing to the next level by saving you time and energy. The Sawgrass SG1000 allowed me to feed 250 paper sheets, 150 sheets more capacity than SG500. The printing field size is 11 by 17 inches, also more than SG500, but SG1000 can print up to 13 by 51 inches with an optional bypass tray.